Dawn is like news. Under His wings we find our peace. In Jesus' name our joys increase. His provision keeps us whole.